Okay, we're back. So we're going to be doing the hard floors now in my kitchen. So here's the angle. And we're going to be moving these two rugs. Okay, well, let's start cleaning. Okay, so that's the part for vacuuming. Now let me go get the mop. Mopping. Oh, by the way, this is a perfectly clean pad. This was. There's just a little bit of dirt, but we're halfway through the kitchen. But it has a brand new pad on it. I'm mopping. Mopping the kitchen floors. And now the floors aren't sticky. Okay, so this is the pad afterwards. It's nasty. Here, get a close up. That's gross. That is nasty. Tragedy. It is gross. Okay, I'm gonna go over it one more time. Because it's a gross floor. And I would be using the steam mop, but I cannot find the pads and I don't have time to look for the pads. Okay. Now we take the rug. It's like a mat. So I give it a little spray and mop. And then same for this one. This one needs a spray and mop. Okay, so is the spray and mop on this one too. So let's straighten out the rugs. Straighten out the rugs. Okay, so that's that thing. It took 2 seconds to do the kitchen. And now we gotta do a lot of work. In fact, let's go see if I can find this steam mop pad. Toilet, 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 toilet. Okay, well it's not in here. It kind of has to be. Yeah, because I can't find it, and I'm not going to call my mom, so. Let's go in to the other bathroom and see. My mom's vacuum. Nasty. Nope, not in here. Yeah, whatever. I'm not going to spend time looking for it when I could be cleaning. Okay, so I'm going to use my iPad case to stand you guys up so you can see what I'm doing. So right now I'm going to move all the chairs out of here. I'm moving the chairs. Really, you guys should just skip by this part. That's finished with that. So now I got a big area to vacuum. And I need to move the bench that we have for the bench needs a vacuuming. Here. Can you see that? Here, I'll show you the bench. There it is. Beautiful. Now the bench is all plumbed. Let's see. And okay, so that's it for the vacuuming portion of this room. Now let's mop. Oh, I don't want to stand on the carpet. I need to add some background music when I'm making videos. Boom! Okay. So, I'll just turn the light off. Okay. I'm going to move this chair back. Move the table back. Okay, let me put away all the chairs. Oh my God, Rocco, you're laying on the bug. Look, not at all. There's some notes for you. Look at that. He's on the rug. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? Say hi to you. Okay. Now we gotta do this area, which means I got to take, hold on. I gotta take all the shoes and line them up against the wall, vacuum and mop. So, okay. I need to put all these shoes in line. You better sing before. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, this is super easy. Super easy to do. Do, 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 do. And then there's some extra shoes that need to be lined up. God, this line is long. Okay. And then just set them there. Okay. Then these cables need to move. Okay. And then let's get the vacuum over there. This is so satisfying seeing my floors go to floors that have shoe prints all over it from the snow to shiny and clean. I want to find seeing my pad. Whoa! Mop turned the camera. Okay. So for this area, hold on, let me move the vacuum. Okay. I'm moving the vacuum. Okay. So for this area, I'm going to be big. You gotta get up, Rocco. Get up, ball. Come on. Come on. You get down. I need to find the steam mop pack. Okay. So we're going to take the rug and put it back. Let me do that. Gotta straighten this. Get Rocco. Get off the rug. Get off the rug. Okay. The rug is put back, but for this area, remove this. Moving this. Okay. Hold on 1 second. Oh my God. Okay. I have shorts under my sweatpants, and so I did that. My sweatpants and hoodie off. So I have breathable clothes. Okay. Now this is what I said, big plans. I'm moving the couch. Oh. Maybe I just need to move one side for right now then. And I did this like a month ago. But it needs to happen again because it's going to be nasty. Like bad. Like dusty too and crusty. Okay. Well, that was a success. Let me plug in my vacuum here. Rocco, get buddy. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can make sure you guys see me vacuuming. Okay, well that's good enough. Well, it's already picking up something. Get Rocco. Yep. Oh God, it's crusty with dirt. Give it a good tap tap. Oh God, it's bad. Let me vacuum back here. Okay, it's time for mopping. Now, let me turn on this light right here because it'd be nice to see. There we go. These crusty floors are getting clean. And last time when I moved this, I barely pulled it up front.
So now that I've completely moved it, makes me happy because it's nasty under here. That's it. We're gonna take a big minute of our day to find this freaking mop pad. In fact, I'm gonna call my mama. So, let's see. Okay, we're calling my mom. You know what? Come back for part 2, 3? Yeah, I think 3.